Alright, we're gonna start off with 30 seconds.
Yeah. If this explodes, I hope insurance covers this.
It's an old microwave. You don't even have insurance.
Yes, I do. Life
What,
insurance.
idiot insurance? Alright, once that goes off, we're gonna see how it stands up.
Yeah.
Have you ever done this before? Well,
Alright.
science. Alright, I'm gonna let you do it.
Let's test.
Alright, what does the touch feel like? Don't try to crunch it.
Feels kind of warm.
Alright, I
Kind
wanna feel
of.
it.
Here.
Yeah, it's kind of warm. Feels like a hot stone or something that you would get at a massage place.
Yeah.
Like, have you ever put a flame up to a stone and just left it there for a little bit?
Kind of. Not really.
Yeah, it feels-
I
feels
microwaved
kinda
an
cool.
Orby once. You weren't there though.
Oh yeah, you torched an Orby once, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you filmed that. I saw it.
I'm gonna go pee.
Okay, I'm putting that at 1 minute now. If it's not bad at 1 minute and 30 seconds, I don't know what I'll do it. I'll just keep doing it by 30 seconds until it just pops. Now, so I'm gonna move this a little bit closer in hopes that you can see the egg. See, can you see the egg? No, you can't actually see the egg. If you can't see it from there, I don't know. Okay, well, it seems like it's starting to do stuff. Alright, let's do that. I'm gonna leave it there for a minute so that it doesn't explode any kinetic energy. You missed it.
What?
You missed it.
Oh, I can smell it. Alright.
Oh man, this is gonna be good. Alright, I'm gonna wait. Should we wait a little bit longer? Nice. It looks like a boiled egg.
I'll show this to you guys.
How much longer should we microwave it for? Can you touch it?
I can touch it, but it kind of burns.
Okay.
Right kind of examination.
And that cat won't do anything. Yeah, it looks like a cooked egg. You know, I don't know the names for the eggs, 'cause I don't really eat eggs much.
We can just say microwave exploded egg, dude.
Yeah. But I think turning this into a series would be cooler. Because
I
we're
know.
definitely going to do this again eventually.
Alright, let's put this on for about
We're gonna...
3 minutes.
That's 3 seconds.
Oops.
Leave it on for 3 minutes. Oh, this is going to be amazing.
Alright.
I love this.
We're not going to open the microwave until it finishes.
Alright. So, should we cut it? And,
No, man.
or not, man, like, what we'll do is, we'll just edit out the boring parts.
Yeah, I'll show you what's on the one.
Actually, that
Did
wouldn't
you
work
just
because
hear
you
pop?
you can only clip parts of it. You can't clip. Hey, if you're gonna shoot it, I will shoot that thing. I need to toughen up my part.
What'd you say?
I said I want.
Oh, well,
You good, man?
you're doing a nice job.
Oh, I want to do something.
That's what
I want to say, I like you so much. This is gonna be totally.
Oh, nice. Heat.
Oh man.
Oh man.
About at 150 seconds, a minute and 50 seconds, it just
man.
go. Woo!
You can smell the thing. It smells like a cooked egg for sure.
It really does.
Yeah, it
If
smells
this
like
explodes,
egg.
I'm gonna die.
Alright, so let's see, it'll be in there for 4 minutes and 30 seconds after. So you boost it back up to 5. Should we put it up to 5 even? Well, not 5 minutes. I mean, we put it on for another 30 seconds, which equals in total 5 minutes.
Well, let's just go
Alright,
ahead and
minute
put
and
30
seconds. Okay.
on.
Good. This is fun.
This is a bad idea. I like bad ideas.
Who loves them?
Honestly, yeah.
Oh man, I'll bet the microwave is gonna love this.
Yeah. Oh. Ugh. Meow, meow. You say that again, say it again.
Now. Alright,
I'll
let's
say
see.
this power. Meow.
Jack.
That thing what?
I don't know.
Alright, but anyways, that thing's at 25 seconds now. So, shouldn't be too much longer. My scary can go through again. Oh, that's so. Ooh, yeah, we'll just let it go in here and eat it. Good method of eating. Alright, 2.
Not like it's cut.
Yeah, you can.
Ah! My cut.
Wait, what does the top look like?
Egg.
Oh yeah, there's a bunch. No, that's actually just the top part of it, just peeling off from years of use. I mean, I told you this thing was old.
It's old.
Yeah, you should have seen the one time I actually had to clean the microwave. Wasn't very fun. But anyways, that's what our egg is looking like now.
Let's go find some gloves. I'll be right back with some gloves. Maybe a Shrek glove.
Yeah.
Alright, so, we didn't find a glove, but, I can pick it up now. So,
Yeah, this is fun.
Is it still in the shell?
Yeah, I still got most of the shell on it.
look at
I
that.
don't even know how to describe that. It's weird.
Alright, so, yeah. That's the damage.
Alright. Follow it. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna stop. Alright, so this cat has been meowing for absolutely forever. We're just gonna get it to follow this egg. We're gonna throw it just out
I'll
somewhere.
make a pill before you get to the can.
Do you know where the cat is?
Yeah,
Well, the shell's pretty much attached to
Yeah,
it.
he's up on the phone.
Actually, no, let's not give it to the cat.
Yeah,
Okay,
give it to the cat.
okay, let's give it to the cat.
What is it?
If it dies, it's not my fault, okay?
Okay.
I mean, it's just an overcooked egg.
I can have dogs and stuff.
I mean, that thing eats raw eggs, so I'm pretty sure it's not gonna care.
Oh, crap. Oh.
He's eating it. Or he's eating it.
Yeah, it's eating it.
Bro, I wanna see you move. Yeah, it's eating it. Got a meal today.
Isn't that what this robot kind of like mine?
Hey, cat.
It has
Hello.
Hand me the phone.
Here.
Alright, so that's it for today.
Really?
We'll
probably-
be uploading Mickey Mouse Track later.
I bet that's fun.
And so yeah, we're going to clean up this microwave and
So
upload.
whatever
Okay,
you say to
bye.
it,